Dear client, this tutorial is basically a quick guideline on how to edit and manage your website. On the screen, you will see what we need to do. Firstly, will basically be to log into the website. Type in your own unique website logins and then click on login. You will see it's basically loading. What we are seeing now is basically the back end of the website. On the back end, you have your pages, the settings, your tools, your media, everything you need to have in order to manage your website. You will basically be navigating by using your back end of the website. In terms of actually editing the website design, we will need to hover over the company name. In this case, we are using the website design as an example, but in your case it will obviously be your company name, for example ABC Marketing. Then once you've hovered over the name, click on open link on new tab. That will basically open up the website design. From here, if you want to edit the website design, you will need to click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is basically the page builder we are using, and the content management system we are using is WordPress. So you will basically click on edit with Elementor because you want to edit the website design. Just wait for it to load quick. Okay, it's busy loading. Okay, cool. Right from the get-go, you will be able to see the website design, and then you will also be able to view the widgets on your left-hand side. So if you want to make edits on the website, you will then be able to do it visually because this is a visual builder. So what you see is actually what live changes you can do in terms of what you see. You can basically edit it. As you guys can see, we are on the home page. On the home page, as you scroll down, you actually see the whole website because it's a one-pager, right? So the website design will display as you scroll down, and let's say you want to edit. Let's say you want to bring in more text. We provide cleaning solutions. Then you will see the moment when you hover over the heading, then you'll basically see the blue lines, and then also the edit heading button. When you click on edit heading, then you will actually be able to see, cool, this is the text, and here you can actually change the text or bring in more text. As I've mentioned, everything is done visually, so it's quite user-friendly and nice to edit because you can actually see the changes in real time. So let's say we've actually added our text now and we want to update the changes which we've done. We will then click on update on the green button. You will see that each widget or section you can actually, after you click on the edit button for that section, for example the heading, then you can actually change the style, the typography, in terms of the size, the font, and also the line height. And then the content itself will basically be just the alignment, the title, and then a link if applicable. So you will see as you scroll down, if you want to change, for example, our services heading, you'll click on the edit heading. It will, on the left hand side, the text will appear, and then from there you can further style it accordingly. This is the same principle across the website in terms of editing the website. Same thing on the icon, for example. You will see when you click on edit image, then you will be able to identify and also change the image from there by basically clicking on choose image, uploading your new image, and then you can also change the size or the style in terms of the sizing of the actual image. So that's basically just further changing the actual widget in terms of design or size, etc., etc. So each widget has its own design functionality where you can actually change the design, which I've showcased just now. So all you need to keep in mind is basically you have a section where you can then click on edit section. The section is the whole section where you can actually see the highlight in blue, the borders, which is currently blue once you hover over the applicable widget or section. In this case, this is the section. If you click on the middle with the dots, then you will be able on the left hand side, you can actually further customize the section in terms of the alignment, the style, or advanced, the margins, the padding, etc., etc. So just for you to wrap your head around basically how to edit your website, what you see, and in terms of the widget, all you need to know is if you want to change something, then click on the edit the widget. Let's say if it's text or image, whatever the case may be. From there you can then change the design or add more text or add a new section or change the section. Let me show you just a quick example what I'm referring to. Here you can see you have the circle with the plus. This is basically to add a new section. So each time you want to add a new section on your newly designed one-pager business website, you will then, wherever you may go, let's say for example you want to add a section here after the map, you will click on the circle, you will then click on the applicable structure you want to use. So the structure will basically be how the structure, the structure of the layout of the content. So let's say you want an image on the left hand side and you want text on the right hand side, this structure will be applicable. Or maybe two images and a text or a button or whatever the case may be, you will then be able to choose your applicable structure. Let's say for example I'm choosing this structure. Immediately you will see the borders, the blue borders, and then click on the plus sign and choose your applicable widget which you would like to go. Just note that the pro widget, it's not included. If you're interested in doing if you want to use the pro widgets, then you will need to upgrade your theme, your page builder, in order to enable you to have and to use the pro features. But in this case the pro features is not applicable. You have your widgets in order to build or to further customize your website. You will see the basic widgets you have outlined here, the heading, image, video, button, divider, spacer, and then also your general widgets, further widgets you can actually use to customize your website where applicable. So you have a lot of features to your disposal where you can basically add or implement certain features in terms of the look you want to add, and that's basically it. So you can also drag and drop your actual section or the widgets. For example, let's say we add another section and we want to add an image. Then you can drag the image where you want the image to be. For example, here we've added the image, and then on this part I want to add text. So I will then click on text editor, drag, drop it right on the right hand side. From here you can actually then add your text and also add your image. If you want to move this section, you can actually just click on it, hold it in, and then move it wherever you want to add the new section. Let's say, for example, here. I'm just going to remove it quick from my side, not to confuse the layout, and then obviously remove this section as well. And that's basically it. This is the quick tutorial on how to manage your one-pager business website design. Thank you. Take care.